my updated short video is all about how to create your PayPal account in Nigeria and other countries where PayPal is not originally accepted. Before I give you the breakdown of how to go about this, do know that I can also help you fix all of these things that I've discussed in this video. So if you want that, you can always reach out to me using the WhatsApp number in the video description. So the first thing here is that you can't just go to your browser, type in paypal.com and start trying to create a PayPal account. If you do so, yes, the account will be created at best, but you will not be able to use it to receive funds, which defeats the entire purpose. So you need to either use a VPN or manually reset your browser to another country of your interest before you can go ahead and start creating your PayPal. I will always recommend the United Kingdom or the US PayPal, which are the best, though I consider US the easier option. The only thing you need is a valid United Kingdom virtual phone number for PayPal verification purpose during the account creation process. That is all you will need to provide to get this account created if you follow the step-by-step process. As at the time of this recording, you can get a working UK phone number from Vike at around, I think, 10,000 naira thereabout if you're in Nigeria. And if you don't want to use Vike, you can also use the cloud SIM. Then there is this cheaper option I just started buying phone numbers from. It's called Fanitel Hub. They currently sell their UK phone number at around 6,400 naira, and for now it is still the cheapest that I know. You can get any of these options from either your Google Play Store or the App Store and go ahead and create your PayPal account. Just be sure to do it well, follow the instructions, and if you live in Nigeria and want to be able to withdraw the money directly from PayPal to your bank account without any third party, then you will have to download and install the Gray app. Make sure you use your authentic details while installing Gray, because you will need to carry out a KYC on the app before the app can become active. Again, you can get your Gray app from the Google Play Store or the Apple Store. Then go ahead and connect your PayPal to Gray, convert your PayPal funds to Naira or your local currency within Gray, that is if you're not in Nigeria. And honestly speaking, I think Gray exchange rate is fair. And from Gray, you can make withdrawal into your local bank account of your choice. It's that simple, and I can assure you that it's going to work and you're not going to have issue with PayPal. So now, a few things to note so that your PayPal account don't get banned. Number one, always verify the source of the fund you want to receive into your PayPal account, because if the source has been earlier reported to PayPal and it's flagged, once money enters into your PayPal account from such a flagged account, PayPal will also flag your own account. If you are lucky, they can request that you confirm the identity of your account, which is always a difficult process if you don't live in the PayPal country that you are originally using. But in most cases, that account could be irreversibly banned. So you want to make sure you stay away from scam as much as possible. And if the original reason why you are using PayPal is for scam, well, I can't help you. This number two is a more common error so many people make. If you open a fresh PayPal account, do not do the following. Number one, don't receive a huge amount of money into that new account at first. Do little amount first, and as you use the account more frequently, PayPal will be increasing your limits so that you can take more amount. Many of you ask me, how much is a huge amount? Well, I cannot say specifically, but if you can, don't do more than between $100 and $200 or its equivalent at the start. Then with time, don't worry, PayPal will continually increase your limit so that you can withdraw even a bigger amount. Number two, don't use your new PayPal account to receive multiple payments at the same time or very close to each other. So let's say you launch a digital product now and you want to receive foreign payments. If you know that there are chances that several of your customers will be paying at quick successions on PayPal, then you may not want to use the new PayPal account that you have just created to receive such payments. Instead, look for another alternative while you work on priming your new PayPal account to increase your account limits. If you keep these rules, your account will be secured and you can use it for many years without having any issue with PayPal. I've been using my original PayPal for a very long time, and as we speak, I have not had a single issue using that account. Remember that if you want me to help you create your own PayPal account, set up your Gray and just hand it over to you, then you can reach out to me using the WhatsApp or the email contact in the video description, and I will be willing to help you. I also offer several other services as you're seeing on your screen, so feel free to use my service if you want to. Please like this video so that YouTube can suggest it to more persons that need information like this one. And why not, if you are not subscribed to this channel yet, you want to hit the subscribe button right now so that YouTube can notify you when I make new videos. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.